All right, we got ourselves a Class B, a Thor Rize. You can tell right now that you got a little extra bedroom at the top of this thing. That's cool. We'll look at it here in a minute. We've obviously pushed that up before we got on camera. It was really simple to do. Pulled a couple knobs and pushed on it, and it popped right up. Let's talk about it.
Yeah, so it's an 18A, so it's compact. These are getting to be really, really popular over the last couple of years just because they're not intimidating. You know, most motorhomes, people are intimidated because they've never drove anything too big. It's just like driving a van.
Yeah.
Right? So this is the Dodge, this is the Rize. Thor is the manufacturer. Sliding van or sliding door, right? You've got on the back here, you've got the Thule awning that comes out. It's got all the different accessories. This is like a real popular accessory company.
Okay.
So you've got different a bike rack back here. You can get a bunch of different accessories. Like you had said, your bed. You got your bed up top. We'll come to the back side here. It's a lot easier to sort of show it on a lot of it here. So obviously you got a place to hang out. This comes across, so that can make a bed too. So you've got a bed up top. And then you've got a bed here. Notice how they've got nicer like cabinets up above, more storage there. Almost like an airplane, you know, type cabinet.
Yeah.
Is what they're like.
Yeah, this is very cool. We're gonna jump up here since we're right here in the back and show you like you said, like the airplane. Plenty of stuff in there. They actually have USBs in here, so maybe if you're laying here and you want to plug your phone in up here, there's your USB outlet.
Absolutely. But we'll come back over to the side if you want to stay right there, Dave.
Okay.
Then we'll come to the side, and then I can show them. We'll show them the middle and the front a little
Sweet.
bit as well.
Yeah, lots of storage. And here's like underneath here is the easy to get to, like some of the wiring and plumbing. Very easy to get to if you need to for some reason.
Yep. So it still does have your burners, right?
Two
burners. You've got an undermount sink there. That's stainless steel.
Yep.
Still has a little bathroom right there. Right, little cassette toilet right there. That you can
So it's
sit
actually
and
what do they call this? A wet shower?
Yeah.
'Cause it's got you got this. So here's what you're looking at. The shower. Can you see it? So you got the shower here. It hooks here. Now I have not had an experience with this, but you got your toilet inside like the shower area, but again you've got space to work with, and that's it.
That closes it right off, right?
Yep.
So for such a small Class B, you still have a good amount of storage and still got a toilet, and then you've got two seats here where you can sit, and then if you can put your camera up top there and sort of show them that bed up top, you'll be able to see your bed that you've got all
this
up
ladder
top.
here would hook up, and then there is the bed on top of the thing. How cool is that? I dig it. Yeah, there's outlets. There's I think this here I'm assuming is a light, like a reading light. You can unzip right back here so you get a little breeze through there if you'd like it.
Yeah, it's just really a really neat experience.
Yeah, I think
off
it's
the grid
cool.
and everything else. And then obviously up front you've got all of your nicer seats, bigger display screen here. This is on the Ram. So and then you've got your different hybrid carpet material that can come out. Easier to clean up and everything. All your cup holders, and that's just like driving a regular vehicle. That's why they're getting to be so popular. So.
Right, you don't feel like there's a learning curve on how to drive this thing.
That's exactly right.
You're driving a van.
Yep.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And a lot of living space in that van. A lot of daily essentials that you need are in that van.
Yeah, you got everything you need to live off of, right?
Yeah, great. That's awesome. That's the Class B Thor Rize. Again, if you want to talk about it, give us a call. We'd love to get you into this.
Absolutely.
That's sweet. I dig the seats back here.
Yeah, it's just really nice.
I think I'll take it.
There you go.